Hey Puddin'. Oh my god, no. Hey guys! So today I am here with yet another exciting wig review. Yay! I love wig reviews, okay? Can you guys guess what wig it is? Except for the cosplay and the title. Great! Today we're reviewing the Harley Quinn wig from UniWigs. I've partnered up with UniWigs to bring you guys another exciting wig review, so let's dig into this amazing box and see what's inside. This is the box the wig comes in, and when you open up, let me just see if I can do it without emptying it completely, you will see that you get 2 wig caps, which is super nice because I always lose mine. You also get 2 extra clip combs that you can sew inside the wig if the ones that are already in the wig are not strong enough, which I bet they are because the wig has like 3 of these things in already, but like, it's about preference, I suppose. And then of course there is the wig itself, which I'm super excited to try on. The wig comes wrapped in this cute little paper pancake. Paper pancake, yes. So let's take it out of this. The wig of course comes in a hairnet so you don't have small baby hairs flying everywhere. This is the wig. Look at that beauty. This is what the wig looks like from the back. It is super long, vibrant colors, nice. And this is of course the front. It is a lace front wig, which is amazing. And inside the wig you will see that it has, as I mentioned previously, 3 clips, 1 in the front and 2 in the sides. And with the 2 extra you get, you can sew them wherever you want. This is the wig, and it comes pre-ponytailed, if you can say it like that. It already has like these cute little rubber bands around them, so the colors don't get mixed, which is super practical because I'm a mess and I would ruin this wig in like 20 seconds if it didn't have these. So yeah. But other than that, yeah, I don't think I have much more to say. So let me just cut the lace on this thing and then try it out for you guys. Okay, so I now have the wig on. Okay, I love this. I love this so much. I will have to glue down the side pieces of the wig, or the sideburn areas, because my hair is black at the moment and it's not super flattering to see that through the blonde, so I'm just gonna do that in 2 seconds. Okay, so now that I've glued down the sideburns, you can get a better picture of what the wig is like. I'm in love. Another quick thing that I really wanted to mention, with the wig there was a little, of course, tag attached, but inside you see all the care instructions that you have to follow if you want to maintain this beautiful wig. So that's super practical. Okay, so review time. The wig itself is super long. Like, even though they're in ponytails, it still goes down to like beneath my bust. I think I would personally have to cut just like a few centimeters off of it. If you go up close, I don't know if it just counts for me or not, but you can see like underneath in the parting that my real hair color is showing, but that's because my hair is black at the moment and it is super difficult to hide. If you do have dark hair like mine, I would recommend using a skin colored wig cap that matches your own skin tone, instead of, well, the black, both the wig cap and to hide your hair. About the fibers of the wig, I mean, they look super vibrant, which is absolutely amazing. Since I am using a ring light, you kind of get a good glance at what the wig looks like when exposed to light. You can see it does look a tiny bit shiny, but it's because I'm using like, well, a really strong light. But if you wear this out on like a normal day with normal daylight, I don't think you would have this problem. Because the light does make it look very shiny, but I promise you in person it doesn't. But yeah, the wig is super thick too, which I'm really happy about because thin wigs suck balls. For styling of this wig, I would just have to pull out like a few front pieces, as well as changing the rubber bands, because I'm pretty sure Harley's in the movie, at least in Suicide Squad, they are either black or they are pink and blue too. Okay, I just ruined the wig, whoopsie doopsie. I'm gonna fix that in 2 seconds. Okay, so I basically just need a lot of bubble gum and a baseball bat and then I'm good to go. But yeah, I just changed the elastics around the ponytails and it was fairly easy. When having to remake the small ponytails, I just really, well, did like I would normally do if I had long hair, because this wig is already constructed to have ponytails, or pigtails is it technically. So that was fairly easy. I'm sorry, I can't really concentrate about talking like information because I love this wig too much and I'm distracted easily by it. But yeah, overall I am super satisfied with this wig. I absolutely love it. I'll just have to cut off a few centimeters, maybe an inch or two, and then it should be perfect for my cosplay. UniWigs does offer a lot of different wigs, both for normal fashion use, but also some for cosplay. Hence, this one. Although the wigs aren't necessarily cheap, if you can say that, they mostly lie in the price range that is like $80 to $125 for the synthetic wigs. But if you find that is too expensive, which I totally get, I find that too, they are almost on sale, so you have a lot of savings to go catch. And if you happen to stumble across a wig that you like, but the site is not currently holding a sale, I have a discount code for you. If you want it, you can use code YASHI15 for 50% off at checkout. I'm sorry, I'm too distracted by this wig. I'm just looking in the viewfinder and be like, oh my god. I look kinda canon though. I'm not gonna lie. I really like this. But would I recommend this wig? Absolutely. It is so thick. It looks amazing, both in real life and on camera. It's soft, it's thick, it's vibrant, but not too vibrant, and it looks realistic in non-blinding light. And also with the transparent lace that it has, it makes it super easy for like the hair to blend in to your own skin tone, which is super nice because it makes it look more realistic and withstand that. If you just want to cut off a tiny bit of the edge, this wig is absolutely spot on. Like, you don't even have to cut this, it's just my personal preference. Is it pricey? Yes, but you almost always have a discount code available either by the site or you could use my code YASHI15. But yeah, overall rating of this wig, I think I would give it like a solid 8 or a 9. Probably mostly a 9 because I love this so much. But yeah, if you are looking to cosplay Harley yourself, you should totally go check out the link in the description for this wig, or just any other cosplay wig or a fashion wig. You should totally go check out their site, link in the description. And if you find something you like, remember to use my code YASHI15 for 50% off at checkout. And then everyone is happy. Okay, so now I'm gonna go film some TikToks because I am absolutely trash. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cosplay related content. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Peace out!